Hey everyone, it's Anaí Cáceres with Cáceres Royal Lineage Bulldogs. On this video, there's going to be short clips of what we have been working on with Liberty and Freedom, Hazel's Patriotic litter. We have been working on loud noise exposure. This is just to help them desensitize sound since they started to hear. On top of doing this, we do play lullabies and just different kind of music throughout the day here in my room, but the loud noise exposure, it's different. So what I have been using is this bell. This bell is, I basically use it on Friday night footballs. My brother plays with the high school, so we have a bunch of this ones for when it's football season, right, Ian? So it's kind of loud, but not too loud to where
little ears
they're gonna get completely scared. And it's really funny to see them reacting. We usually do the sound right before their 4 o'clock feeding, so they're kind of like associated that with feeding time now. So it's really funny to see them. So enjoy the next clips. You want to do it again? Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, you're being. They can hear now. Look at him. Oh my goodness.
They're walking. Come here.
You're so smart. This one, he goes and poops over there. He doesn't poop over here.
Come here.
Little Peppa Freedom. Hi. Hi. Hi, mi amora. Okay. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Where's my babies? Here's Liberty. Baby Liberty. There's baby Freedom. Little tiny Freedom. You're so funny, so smart. I can't wait to see those guys grow. And there goes my camera.